Okay, let's dive in. We're looking at the latest Retter Reboot today,
Yeah.
the company newsletter, and it is absolutely packed with the newest AI and tech buzz.
Yeah, it really is. Our mission today is, well, pretty simple. Sift through all these headlines and stories, pull out the really interesting bits, the golden nuggets, if you will.
Exactly. We want to make sure you walk away knowing what actually matters from all this.
Think of it like us guiding you through a particularly interesting news feed. Let's get started.
Okay, first up, and this is a big one from the newsletter, court documents suggesting OpenAI is gearing up for an iPhone app.
Right, and what's interesting here is the strategy. It's not just any app.
Yo.
They seem to be positioning ChatGPT right inside the Apple ecosystem. That could mean potentially going head-to-head with whatever Apple's own AI plans are for iOS 18.
It feels like a very bold move, doesn't it? Especially thinking of the timing, possibly around new iPhone reveals.
Definitely. It's like they're saying, look, we'll be part of the experience one way or another.
And sticking with OpenAI for a second, the newsletter also mentioned their Sora video model. It's apparently free now, through Microsoft Bing Video Creator on mobile.
Yeah, no ChatGPT Plus needed. And if you connect the dots, that's clearly Microsoft using Bing to get these powerful AI tools out there, democratizing it.
Making advanced video generation available to, well, pretty much anyone with a phone. That's a big push for adoption.
It is. Now, moving over to Meta, the newsletter highlighted their big push on advertising.
Ah, yes, the fully automated AI ads goal by 2026.
That's the target. The idea is you give the AI a goal, maybe some creative assets, and it handles the rest, the creative, the targeting, everything.
Wow, that really reflects Meta's drive to simplify and scale ads, doesn't it?
Absolutely. It points towards a future where generative AI isn't just helping out, it's actually managing these complex marketing campaigns. That fundamentally changes things.
Okay, and back to ChatGPT again, quickly. The newsletter talked about deeper integration into daily work life.
Support for meeting recording, direct connections to Google Drive, Box, OneDrive.
So it's becoming less of just a chatbot and more of a real-time work assistant.
Exactly. Think about it. You record a meeting, get an instant transcript, maybe pull relevant files from your cloud storage while you're still on the call, all helped by AI.
That's embedding AI right into core business processes. Huge step.
It really is. Now, for the developers out there, the newsletter mentioned Mistral Code.
Right, a new AI coding client. Lightweight, designed for local use.
Yep, focused on speed and privacy. It lets developers integrate AI into their existing workflows right on their own machine. Fast local code generation.
Nice. Okay, slightly different angle here. Anthropic's AI, Claude. The newsletter said it's writing its own blog posts now.
Apparently so, yeah. With human oversight, of course, but still.
So what's interesting there?
Well, it shows a practical way large language models can be used for company comms, but, safely. Claude, as a regular contributor, shows AI moving beyond just drafts.
Towards creating polished, final content, even if someone double-checks it. Got it.
Okay, shifting to hardware mentioned in the newsletter. Amazon's testing humanoid robots for package delivery.
Yeah, designed to walk and handle steps.
But the key thing here, according to the newsletter, is it's not really about replacing drivers, it's more about supporting them.
Ah, okay. Like with the physical side of things,
Yeah.
getting packages from the truck, upstairs, that kind of thing.
Exactly, that last mile challenge. They're running trials now, seeing how this physical AI assistance works in the real world.
Fascinating. And also on hardware, big Apple news in the newsletter, iOS 18.
It looks like it's bringing a combo of AI and health features.
So things like AirPods potentially getting a hearing aid mode, body temp sensing, and smarter AI in apps like Messages.
A lot expected at WWDC soon. And what stands out is Apple really fusing that health monitoring using wearables like AirPods with deeper AI in the software itself.
It shows that dual focus, doesn't it? Making devices smarter, but also turning them into personal wellness tools.
Precisely. And Google's not standing still either. The newsletter mentioned Gemini 2.5 Pro got an update.
Enhanced coding capabilities.
Significantly enhanced, yeah. Better performance in complex tasks, coding, math, logical reasoning. So for developers using Gemini Advanced, it becomes a more reliable coding partner.
Good to know.
Yeah.
And finally, just a quick hardware note from the newsletter. The Nintendo Switch 2 is out.
Yeah. A major console launch. Upgraded graphics, faster loading, better battery. Seems like demand is high, too.
It's a good reminder, isn't it?
Yeah.
With all this super fast AI software stuff happening.
Right. The traditional hardware cycle, like consoles, is still a massive deal in the tech world.
Okay, so let's wrap this up based on the newsletter.
What have we seen?
AI is pushing way beyond chatbots. It's getting embedded everywhere.
Definitely. In apps, creativity tools, advertising workflows, coding assistants, even physical robots helping out.
And the hardware is evolving right there with it integrating AI, adding health tech. Plus, we still have these big product launches like the Switch 2.
It all connects back to just how rapidly tech, especially AI, is becoming part of, well, almost everything we do. How we work, how we create, how we get information, even how we monitor our health.
So here's a final thought for you. Drawing from this Retter Reboot roundup, with AI embedding itself so deeply and these fast hardware releases like the Switch 2 happening alongside constant software updates like iOS 18.
How do you think you'll prioritize? What tech will actually get your attention or, make its way into your daily life over the next year?
Yeah, what changes do you think will truly impact your day-to-day? Something to mull over.